of the fort.
Go, 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 guys.
Up your haste.
And we're off.
It looks
I
clear
already
so
seen
far.
that shit. I'm following Peach and the rest of my group is not.
Wait.
There we
Nobody
go.
came out to
Rotating
see.
from B. I crashed.
Watch this deep left side here. There's a couple guys that are
That's
flanking.
call I crashed.
Everybody get in a C circle around A. White left side. Hold your AoEs, don't bomb yet. I died. Keep
Looks like
holding
they're giving C.
Alright, recap C. Hold your lines there, guys. Protect your healers.
If they're still putting damage up on the point, do not just stand on the point. Push through.
Okay.
Getting pushed off hard at A, so we might want to wrap.
Rotating.
Go left towards the middle.
To B right now.
Okay, take y'all finish up B, everybody focus A. Keep focus on A, guys. They're gonna push it down to 1 point. Got this.
Alright, we cap B, we're gonna rotate to A now.
Alright. We're getting pushed back, it looks like, on A.
We're sticking close to the
Try to
fort.
try to wrap right side.
Yeah, wrap right side and left side. Try to push like a C around the point.
We're hitting their back line now.
Alright. Come on, we need more people over here on left side. Come on, guys.
Sick grumping.
Alright, do we wanna let's get a come on, more people on left side of A.
We got a pretty strong line behind them.
Yeah, we've
You guys wanna get
We've wrapped all the way around, we can collapse.
Make sure you're spawning at B point in the faster run. Can we blow the point up? Somebody else call out the builder.
I'm respawning now.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good. We should be wrapping.
Yeah, blow up
People,
the point.
bodies
blow
on
up the
point now, bodies
blow
on
up the
point.
Everybody on the point.
Bodies on
blow it up,
point.
blow it up, blow it up.
Push through. Do not stand on point if we get
Yeah.
wipes. Get wiped before
Push it
we're
through.
taking pressure. Push
Push
through.
on the point, blow it up, blow it
They
up.
only have 5 or 6 here. We should get bodies on the point to try to cap this.
Push,
Cap
push,
it.
push. Push past the point.
Keep range and heal on point now.
Right out.
Push through.
Yep, range and heal on point.
Punish the overextenders, punish the overextenders. Good job, everybody. On the left side here, we got some pushing in. They're trying to get in the back line.
As soon as this caps, the group assignments need to make sure that they're going where they need to go.
Yep. Group 3, if you not
Should be quick, right away, let's go, right away, let's go.
Straight into A. We were in C, straight into C, straight into C. Change.
Range should be targeting the people up on the walls if you
Blow
can.
this door up, blow this door up.
Alright, I'm going in.
Clap healer.
Great job, everybody. Blow this door up. Are we rotating doors or pushing in?
Push through, push through. Big group there.
Which there is a horrible
Heal, 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 everybody. Push in and out, in and out. Good job, good job. Pop your potion, pop your serum, flesh bomb.
Alright, if you're ranged, try to get up on top of the wall if you can.
Yeah, we should open a second door as well if we
Second on
can.
base spawn.
If you're in the
9 and 10 should open a second door.
Back out. Let's go ahead and push the B, okay? Back out, back out, back out.
Alright, I'm out of the door.
B gate. Spawn on B if you spawn and push the B gate.
Make sure you're buying at the camp that you spawn at too.
You can buy at the points, yes.
We're doing a great job, everybody, on
Alright,
time.
I'm on
too.
the
This
B
is
gate.
great. We want to rotate and go to a next door.
Ease
Oh, go
open.
in.
We should go to A if we can. Okay.
This
Go
is
in.
clear right now.
Clear. Spread out.
Range
Don't
rotate
bump.
through. I want Team 7 to try to take to push up onto the walls if you can, take out their melee or their range. Excuse me.
Wipe them. They're spread out. Punish these people. Great job, everybody. Spread out into their back line.
There was smoke.
Teams.
Capture.
Pop your potion. Stay alive. Stay alive.
And we done broke down 2 doors.
I need Team 7 and 8 to try to rotate and take their range off the top. You're up.
Respawn in 10 seconds. We want to pick another door.
Almost hit.
Yeah,
We're
okay,
trying to-
respawning, group up, and try to come over to aid.
Damage is low, which is what I'm liking.
Rally point A.
They have some range back left towards D gate if we can get a couple people up
Try to
here.
push into A door if you're coming from a respawn. Let's get all the doors open.
Heading to door A.
Don't run in by yourself, guys.
If you're playing the point, push through and take out their damage dealers. Do not just play on the point right here. We need to wipe them. Once we get everybody grouped up back in here again.
Yep, push up and around. Take out their back
everybody
line.
up.
Look at these guys.
Yeah, hold your CDs, and we're gonna wipe this point. Hold your CDs for a second.
Oh, they just respawned.
Yep, hold your CDs. Yep, hold. Alright, everybody on the point, get this big group down. There's everything on the point right here. This big group here, take them out.
Blow it up.
Alright, point is pretty much wiped. I want us to push to the back, push up to the stairs if you're melee. Let's take out their people that are playing on the stairs on the back side of the fort.
We keep this, we win this right here.
Bodies
boys.
on point. Yeah, stay
Everybody
bodies on point. We're about to tap and win.
Tap and win, baby.
Nice, good job.
We won.
Let's go, guys.
Fucking
Let's
go.
go.